Hi guys, I'm Sunny. Today we are going to learn how to create awesome light glowing effect in AV renderer and cycles renderer. Right now I have loaded my model. First thing I'm going to do is select my mesh. Then I will go to shading tab. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a simple emission shader. Shift A for that and click on emission. Now I will connect my emission to material output. Now I am going to turn on the viewport rendering. See, we are started to getting the light emission effect already here. I will increase the strength. What I am going to do now is I'm going to the render properties and turn on the bloom effect to get the glowing effect. See, if you want that light to be more intense, you can increase the intensity of the bloom filter. Okay. Now if you change it to the cycles renderer, you can see the glowing effect is gone. It's because of EV renderer doesn't have that glowing filter, means bloom filter. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to render the scene first. To render the scene, I'm going to click on the render and render image. It's taking some time. It's because I did not turn on my GPU rendering. So I will cancel the rendering. I'm going to select my render device as GPU compute. Okay, I will also turn on the denoise effect, and I will also make sure the denoiser I'm using is optic denoiser. Again, I am going to press F12. See, the rendering is done very quickly. If you use your GPU, you are going to render it. This is the image fast. Now I am going to close the rendering window. Now I am heading over to the compositing tab. Now click use nodes. Now I am going to add a viewer node to see what's going on. I'm going to press Shift A, then output at viewer node. Now connect the image render layer image to viewer image. See, now I'm facing a scaling issue of my rendered image. I mean, it's not a rendered image, it's a backdrop. So to fix this issue, I'm going to click on the view tab here, then hit this fit button. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a filter called glare. This is going to bring our bloom effect, what we saw in EV renderer. Okay, now I'm going to press Shift A, then filter, then add a glare filter. See, we are already getting that effect, but this is not we want. We want something similar to that bloom effect. So I'm going to change this streaks to fog glow effect. Okay. See, we already got this nice bloom effect. I'm going to change the glow quality to high, very high only, and going to increase the size. Okay, now the important thing we have to remember is we cannot save this image directly by rendering it. We have to save this image from the UV editor. So I am going to click on this UV editing tab. It's in edit mode. I am going to bring back it to the object mode. Now I am going to click here then select viewer node. Then I'm going to click on image, save image as, I will choose my desktop, and I'm going to type my image name here, Bloom. Right, now you can save your image. Like this, we can create light glowing effect in Eevee and cycle centerer. If you like the video, hit like, share it with your friends, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.